In this video, guys, I would like to speak about the second principle of OOP, and it's called inheritance. What does it mean? At first, because we have a lot of code here, and I would like to be clear for you and make it simple, I would like to rename this file OOP book, and I would like to create a new one. It will be called OOP animal.py, and I would like to start from the beginning. So here we have the 4 principles as well, but now we will speak about inheritance. So I will make it like this for the clarity. So inheritance, and I would like to use these 2 parts, logic of your code, and here we'll be using the logic. Perfect. So we can start. Logic of our code. I would like to create a class, and it will be called animal. Okay, and there is no constructor, because constructor isn't mandatory. It can be there, but it doesn't has to be. It's up to you guys. So in this animal will have a method, and we will call it eat. Okay, eat means that every animal has to eat, and I will print the animal is eating. So, and now I would like to create a class dog, okay, like this, and here the class cat, because we have some special things, special behavior, special methods for the dog and for the cat. But here is the problem, that the dog eat as well, correct? And cat eat as well. So you can do it like this. So you can put it here, like this, like this. Of course, it's possible, but the problem is that you repeat the code. And in programming languages, in general, in programming, we can't or we shouldn't repeat the code, because it's a waste of time, waste of space, and it's complicated, correct? Because if I want to make some change here, so I need to change here, here, and here, okay? So do we have a better solution? Yes, we have, because we have inheritance. We have the second principle of OOP. So it means I don't need to use it like this. I only say, okay, the dog inherit everything from the animal. So it means the dog will inherit the eat method, and cat as well, okay? And it goes like this. So now I would like to create here another method, for example, bark. And this bark method is special for the dog, okay? Because cat doesn't bark, correct? And we will print the dog is barking, okay? And the cat, here is a special method, meow, and again we will print the cat is meowing, or how you say it in English. So now how it works. So now the dog and the cat can eat, because it inherit everything from the animal. But the dog has special method bark, and the cat has special method meow. We can try. So I would like to create a dog like this, and here I would like to create a cat like this. So we have 2 objects. Sometimes we call it instance. Okay, so somebody call it instance, somebody call it object. It's the same thing. So now we can call methods. So it means that dog can bark, correct? And the cat can meow. We will check it. Okay, the dog is barking, the cat is meowing, perfect. But the dog can eat as well, and the cat can eat as well, okay? But the eat method isn't here, it's here. Okay, and so I will run it, we will see, yes, of course. So the dog is barking, cat is meowing, animal is eating, perfect, I like it. So this is the point of inheritance. So it means if these two classes will have the same method, you can create the method in the, we usually call it parent class, and here we call it child class. Okay, so you can create the parent class, and the child class only can inherit from the parent, from the animal. So I hope that you understand the main point of the second principle of OOP, and it's called inheritance.